Hello. Well, this is a Raytech vibrating rock polishing kit that we just picked up via Hub Hobby in Little Canada in Richfield, Minnesota. New brand being carried by Horizon Hobby. So this is you're getting it just like I'm seeing it. I'm having to pull out the staples to open this up, so I can see it's been opened a time or two. So they must have mispackaged or added things to it.
Or somebody wanted to see what it looked like before it went somewhere.
Yeah. So, okay, it's got a clear lid. My first impression of the lid is a little bit more time on quality assurance, make sure that all the plastic was cleaned out. Okay, the bolt that goes down through the barrel for fastening it down. Okay, it's got a steel washer for the clamping.
The heavy-duty plastic tub.
It's a heavy. It is. All right. And the nice thing is, in one of the videos I saw, it had a drain on the bottom, and they said that you need to epoxy the drain. Well, I see that they've modified it. There is no more drain on the bottom, so glad I didn't waste money on buying some epoxy today that I didn't need. The art and science of mass finishing. So the instruction book, tumble vibe. No drain. Awesome. That way we don't have to worry about grit, rocks, ceramic getting down there. They give us some polish to start with, so we're gonna have to figure out, because they don't say step 1, step 2, step 3 like a regular tumbler. So, well, that's gonna be step 1 right there. That's familiar, the 100, 120.
Yeah, so we'll have to do our little research, make sure we know which one goes for which.
Yeah.
And then I'll probably label them.
So we won't be doing any tumbling tonight. This is just to see what's in the box and to make sure that maybe we have enough ceramic media, because it does not come with any ceramic. And the base here, so it sets on springs. The base is all plastic, but it does have a fan up inside of there to help keep the motor cool. And it's a offset weight on the bottom below the fan to cause it to vibrate. It does have an on-off switch, so when it's set up and we get going, we don't have to actually unplug it like we would with our
Tumblers.
Our tumbler tumblers.
Yeah.
Okay, well, this is the Tumble Vibe from Raytech. This is the TV10 polishing kit. So, all right. Well, it looks pretty good.
Why don't you put it on there like it would be if we were doing tumbling, just so we have a kind of a visual of what it will look like. And so you can see it's just going to vibrate.
Yep.
We'll share more when we're ready to do some tumbling with it.
Yep.
Do that. Okay, so we're going to be doing our tumbler with the vibratory tumbler. We're going to do some Apache tiers, which we had in our collection of rocks to do. And so we're going to do those. They're a softer rock, and so they need maybe a little less tumbling, and so the vibration tumblers are a lot more gentle for the lower Mohs scale rocks.
The directions said to make sure that the tumbler is pretty full. So since we're only doing 1 pound of rock, had to use a lot of ceramic media.
This capacity, I believe, is
10 pounds.
10 pounds,
So it can
so
hold
8 pounds of rock.
So it's a teaspoon, right?
Yep, 14